Narrated by Umar radhiyallahu anhu. When Allah took away the soul of His Prophet at his death, the Ansar assembled in the shed of Bani Sa'ida. I said to Abu Bakr, "Let us go." So we come to them at the shed of Bani Sa'ida. Let's delve deeper into this hadith for more comprehensive discussion, aiming to enhance our understanding of its context and meaning. According to the sources, after the demise of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, while his body was prepared for the burial, Ansar, the tribe that helped the mission of Islam with the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, gathered in the meeting place called Saqeefa Bani Sa'ida, the shed of Bani Sa'ida, to discuss the question of who would be the next Khalifa. The leader of Ansar, Sa'd bin Ubaidah, made a plea that successor should be from the Ansaris, as Ansars always help and spread the cause of Islam. Upon seeing this, immigrants reacted and gathered in the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ mosque and notified everyone that Ansar was gathered in Saqeefa of Saidah to choose the next Khalifa. It was a big decision for Muslim community, and any wrong decision at this stage can jeopardize the future of Islam. Seeing this, Abu Bakr, Umar and Ubaidah radhiyallahu anhu discussed the matter with logical explanation and decided among themselves to proceed to the shed to negotiate the matter. Abu Bakr radhiyallahu anhu emphasized the status of Quraysh in the entire Arab is strong, and all the Arab tribes were not likely to accept the leadership of Ansar, particularly when there are differences among the two principal tribes of Ansar. Abu Bakr said, "It is fair that if we take Amirat and you accept the ministry, you should not be abstain in your stand, and we assure you that we will do nothing without consulting you." Even consideration of two amirs has been proposed from both tribes, to which Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu said, Islam stood for unity, one God, one Prophet and one Quran. It followed as a necessary corollary that the Muslim community should have one Amir. If the proposal of having two Amir was once accepted, other people would later lay claim to the election of an Amir from them. Such multiple Amirat would lead to the disintegration of Islamic polity. Umar radhiyallahu anhu emphasized that in the interest of solidarity of Islam, they could not have more than one Amir, and it was imperative that such Amir should be from Quraysh, the tribe of Holy Prophet. Thereupon, Abu Bakr took the stage again and said, "God is our witness that we are not pressing the claim of the Quraysh because of any selfish interest. The proposal is based solely on the interest and solidarity of Islam. To give you a proof positive of our sincerity, I declare before you that I do not covet the office. Here are Umar and Abu Ubaidah. You may choose any one out of these two." That softened the attitude of Ansar, and in between the most eminent Ansari leaders agreed to the Abu Bakr and agreed to the importance of tribe of Holy Prophet. Upon this, Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu rose and touched the Abu Bakr hand to take the full allegiance. All the Ansaris took the allegiance except Sa'd bin Ubaidah.